Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's your friendly neighborhood Armenian, back with another video. Hope you're all doing well. Today I want to talk about 5 things I love about my new 2019 Subaru Impreza. So the first thing I love about this car is the simplicity of the car. Base model, it's got absolutely no additional features, no extra options, nothing added to it. You have all these cars with so much technology in there, so much complications in there, and distractions and assistance and guidance, and you name it, the list can go on and on. It's nice to get in here and just see how basic everything is. You just get in, turn the car on with a normal key. Gauges are super simple. You don't have to sift through a bunch of different options on there. Your tachometer on the left, your speedometer on the right, and your fuel gauge in the middle. That's it. That's basically all the base essentials you need for driving a car, in my opinion. You do have a radio in here as well. Automatic climate control works great. It's got AC in the car as well, comes standard. So the car basically has all the essentials. And you know, I just love that it's so incredibly simple in here. Second thing I love about this car, the car comes standard with Apple CarPlay. A lot of car manufacturers out there are charging an extra fee to basically include Apple CarPlay or Android Auto in your car nowadays. This car comes standard with Apple CarPlay. I love that. I use it all the time. Very, very easy to use. I generally am one of those drivers that I don't like to use my phone when I'm driving at all, and so the only thing I'll use it for is I'll plug it in and I'll listen to music, and I'll toggle through everything through the entertainment system in the center, and that's basically it. So I'm glad it comes with Apple CarPlay base and I don't have to pay any extra additional features, which is a huge plus. Third thing I love about this car is the cargo room. There is so much space in this car. It is insane. It's deceptively insane, to be honest with you. If you look in the trunk, and if you actually look at the back seat, you can see I have 4 big wheels and tires in there. That's from my previous Audi S4, and they fit perfectly, and I have an extra room to put whatever I need in the trunk. It's insane. It's actually bigger than my previous Audi S4. It makes it very easy to live with daily driver, and I love that, and that's the purpose of this vehicle, is to be a very easy to use daily driver that I can take with me wherever I want and have plenty of space in there if I need to go on long road trips. Fourth thing I love about this car is the all-wheel drive system in there. Of course, Subaru has the symmetrical all-wheel drive system that it's known for. I love it. It's incredibly reliable. I never have to worry if it's snowing out or if it's raining out. The fact that I can easily get wherever I need, no matter what the weather conditions are, is amazing. And that's one of the biggest reasons why I actually got this car as well. There's a lot of other manufacturers out there that have basic cars, but I wanted something with all-wheel drive, something that was reliable, something that was easy to maintain and keep and service as well, and it wasn't too crazy expensive. The fifth thing I love about this car is the fuel economy. I'm averaging about 30 miles per gallon, city and highway combined, and it's amazing. I've had this car for a couple weeks. For a daily commuter that I'm going to be racking miles on this car, I don't want to have to worry about having to fill up gas all the time, and so this is a great option for me. I love that I can just throw in fuel in here and it'll last for weeks at a time. The big plus is all-wheel drive drains a lot of fuel, and this thing is doing fantastic. If you all enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. I really appreciate the support. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Got lots more content coming your way about cars, and this car in particular as well, and a bunch of car reviews coming up, as well as a new car that's going to be coming to the stable. Until next time, thanks for watching. See y'all later. Peace.
Whatever you do, every time I fall before